All right, so we're going to be doing this perspective worksheet here. And this is what we call 1 point perspective, right? So this is 1 point perspective, okay? So basically it's all going to this, okay? So these are squares right now, and this is just a shape, but we want to turn this shape into a 3-dimensional form. So how we're going to do that is we're going to use 1 point perspective to make that happen. So basically all you have to do is find each of these corners, and you're going to draw a line using your ruler from that to this 1 point, okay? So to make it easy, it would be better if you use this corner to this, okay? But for right now, we're just gonna use these visible corners, all right? So I'm gonna do this first one right here in the middle. I'm gonna take my pencil, put it right here, line it up, and just draw a line just like that. That easy, okay? Put my pencil here, line it up, draw it to that point, all right? So basically that's all you have to do. That's pretty neat. And then in order to make this a 3-dimensional shape into a cube, basically all I have to do is draw a line across there. Again, I'm gonna use my ruler, you know, each and every time I'm gonna use my ruler, draw a line across, and there is my cube, right? Okay, so it'd be better if I was to shade this in, but we won't worry too much about the shading right now. So you're gonna do the same thing for each of these. I'll give you another example. So for this one here, for the one at the corner, again, you're gonna use these corners and draw a line. So I'm gonna take this. Sorry, that took a while for some reason. Take this, go straight to the point. So this is a little bit off, right? It's a little bit off there, but that's not a big deal, okay? Try not to make it too off, but try to do your best to line it up, okay? Again, put that there, line it up to that point, okay? So again, I'm gonna take my ruler and try and make this, try and line it up parallel to this line for right now. Let me do a little bit deeper. Okay, and so this corner ends here, so I'm gonna have to make it, again, parallel with this line. So I'm gonna line it up, try to make it as parallel as possible. And there we go, we have my cube there. So that's all you have to do. Now you don't need to, but you know, I'm just gonna lighten this up just a little bit, just to let you see what I mean. So there you go, it gives you kind of that 3-dimensional cube look, okay? So you're gonna do that, and after that, you're gonna do this one too. This one's a little bit more difficult, but it's still along the same lines. You're still going to, you know, basically just draw the corners, okay? So each corner, right? So for example, this one here, you see it, line it up, draw that line. Corner, line it up, draw that line, okay? So each corner that you're going to see, you're going to draw that to that point to get that shape, okay? So this one you don't really see, right? So it's gonna, the line's gonna end up coming behind it. So I don't really need to do it, but it's still, you know, you can do it anyway. That's still good practice, all right? So make sure you get every single corner. I'll just do it like that, right? Every single corner, it's gonna end up here. Now it's bumping into that. You're not gonna see it, but I still have to, you know, draw that line there to that corner, right? Again, corner here. Can't see it. Corner here, line it up right to that edge there, and you don't see these corners, right? If I want to draw it like that, I could, but we don't really see that corner, okay? So that's basically what you have to do with all of these shapes, okay? So again, this is still 1 point, this is 1 point perspective.